If you've been struggling with stubborn, flyaways, breakage, or frizz, this video is for you. Hey, what's up, and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I just wanted to make this really quick video to share with you guys the $8 Amazon product that will fix any flyaway issue. Whether you've got flyaways or breakage from heat damage, bleach damage, or you just have frizzy hair, this product works like no other. I've been playing more with bleach in the last couple of years, and definitely my hair has noticed. It has noticed. First, I tried regular just trust my hairspray and tried to like smooth it down. It doesn't work. So I Googled, what do I do for stubborn flyaways? It was telling me spray hairspray on a toothbrush. I'm like, okay, fine. So I got a new toothbrush, sprayed the heck out of it with hairspray, tried to brush it down, held for a minute, popped right back up. Okay. Now what? I decided to look for a stronger hold hairspray, and I got the strongest hold hairspray on the market, the Schwarzkopf Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. Did it work? No, it did not. Literally, I would just like spray and press, put it on the toothbrush. It didn't hold for more than like a minute. It's not good. The one and only product, $8 on Amazon. Just throw it. Hair mascara. Mascara for your hair. I'll have this specific one linked down below. This is what I've been using for the last year. I don't go anywhere without it. This is my savior. Just open it up so you can see what it looks like. It looks like a mascara brush. I'll do the classic YouTuber. It's basically like a clear mascara, but it's magical. Let me get a mirror and I'll show you how this thing works. So the before, you see all the little flyaway breakage pieces? We're gonna fix that right now. So you just open up your little hair mascara. This stuff is strong, so you don't need to like coat it like crazy. You just gently brush it down, and then I will kind of use my other finger to lift it, because otherwise it kind of can get caught in the rest of your hair and then you have a sticky mess everywhere. I still have a little bit more like breakage over here, so I'll gently just kind of brush through that, and that like glues the pieces together. I hope you guys saw how it instantly smoothed that. And I did like such a light touch. That was so little product, but it just glues it down. Just gently bring it through, and then use my finger to just hold down the hair and lift up the spoolie. Simple as that, just the whole way around wherever you've got some hair sticking up that you're not vibing with, and boom. Do we see the difference? This side, smooth, controlled, looking beautiful. This side is still popping out there. Like, that worked some magic. Let's finish it up. Just gently brush where it needs the help. I can even go down kind of that whole way because it's a little bit frizzy on that piece because it's very bleached. And just go back. Just applying a little bit. Clamping down with the other hand. Where's this hair want to go? Put it back to that side. You see even the pieces just hanging out there in the back. Let's take care of those guys. Just brush it right back. I hope it's picking up on camera just how magical this product is, because it's really like, it's a game changer. Okay, and there we go. All smoothed down. Little hair mascara did the trick yet again. Look at that before and after. That is insane. All the flyaways, all the breakage is gone, and I'm serious, these were very, very stubborn. If they resisted this, you know they're bad. Again, I will have this Amazon hair mascara linked down in the description box. It's only $8. Super affordable. I've been using it for a year. I don't think I'm gonna run out of it anytime soon. Just remember to go easy on it. You don't need to use a ton. It'll just make your hair a little bit crispy, and we don't need that. But really, it's magical. If you want more quick beauty tips, definitely leave a like on this video and subscribe to join the ByStephieNics fam. Ring the notification bell to get notifications of all my future videos. We have fun here, and we would love to have you, so make sure you click all those buttons. Let me know down in the comments what other type of content you want to see, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, this is ByStephieNics. Bye.